Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. We share tips and tricks from Jolie Day Spa Skin Clinic, and we bring them to you and we revise the treatment so that you can achieve results at home. And today I'm going to share a really great treatment. It's really easy and a little less complicated than some of my tutorials. So if you're new to this channel, we love that you stopped on by. I'm Kelly J, an esthetician for almost 25 years. And I have a business partner, Suzanne Bitts, and she's an esthetician, and we've been working together for a long time. So let's get started. I'm going to wipe my skin off. I've already done a deep cleanse, so I'm wiping off my lip color with just a little bit of gloss, and I want to go in and show you the first step. Well, what I've done so far is I've just done a gentle cleanse with our AHA BHA cleanser. And for those of you who watch my videos, you know how important I think it is to do a really wonderful cleanse and massage using your fingers to really get that stimulation in the skin. Use the fingers, push up the fascia, get blood circulation in the skin, really cleanse AM and PM. Remember, we're not removing the barrier of the skin because we're replacing nutrients and hydration and antioxidants. We're putting it right back in the skin after we cleanse thoroughly. So let's get on with the first step, the second step, I should say. The first is a thorough cleansing. The second is I want to treat my skin. I want to infuse my skin with hydration. This is going to help with saturating, because we're saturating the skin with a wonderful Hydra Essence toner. We want to treat the skin like a sponge. We want to get that hydration deep into the pores so that the following steps will really absorb more quickly. When you think about a sponge, when we get a sponge wet, it's fully saturated, and anything we were to put on the sponge would just dissipate, it would just, it would just be infused down into the sponge, and that's how we're treating the skin. Okay, so with the hydration, the Daily Hydrolock Essence is a brightening, has brighteners, licorice root extract. It's packed with antioxidants, and it's an essence toner. So it's really giving your skin a dose of very wonderful, strong antioxidants. And it's a great way to start your evening treatment or your morning treatment out. I just realized that the order, I have my products. I grabbed for the first product. I'm going to have to back up, and it's not going to be any harm, so I apologize. I'm going to use, for the second step, after AHA cleanser, I'm going to go right in with the retinol 2% exfoliating scrub and mask. Now, this is from Skin Scripts, and you can find this right on our site. And I'm going to tell you, Skin Scripts does not manufacture anything that isn't actually amazing for skin. Now, Skin Scripts is, they manufacture professional esthetician products that we use in our back bar. So this is a very interesting formula. This is a retinol scrub, and It is so lovely to use. What we're doing here with the retinol is we are buffing the skin. We're really getting that active ingredient of retinol into the top layers. Now remember, retinol is key for collagen. Retinol is wonderful for brightening skin and treating pigmentation. And the pumice in this product is just really soft and nice. So it's a very gentle form of exfoliation, but you really do feel like you're doing something to your skin by delivering the retinol. So now I'm in sequence with the treatment. So it would have been the AHA DHA cleanser, then the retinol, the retinol scrub, and then we would go in with Hydra Essence. Now I'm on track. Okay, so you can do this treatment at night. This is a wonderful treatment. And at the end of this video, I will explain to you how you would tweak it if you want to do this treatment per day. Now I'm going to go in with the Hydra Essence. A little Hydra Essence. Working on the skin. Pushing it up. Remember, pushing up under the vellus hair. Unless, even if you shave, we still want to push upwards to get that up into the pore versus down. When we go upwards, we're really getting that product into the skin, through the hair follicle, into the pore. Okay, you can see I've got a really nice layer there. Okay, now to really bump up this night treatment. Oh dear, hold on one moment. Okay, I'm back. I dropped a really nice serum underneath my vanity here. So the next step is we're going to apply Superior C. Now Superior C is going to brighten the skin. It's a wonderful form of vitamin C. It's tranexamic acid, magnesium, sodium phosphate, and that really fights photo damage. It's a wonderful antioxidant, and it's great for collagen. Vitamin C is wonderful for collagen production. Okay, so you can see I'm really working down into my skin. I always say work with your fingers, use pressure, push the fascia in the skin back up and into place. Even work on the sides here. You can really work that to smooth your crow's feet. I do that a lot because I'm not doing Botox. I also do that on my 11s and my bunny lines. So I really work those 11s between the brows. Even the forehead line here, the frown line. Not frown line, but the forehead line. Okay, let's see, let's do this side. Really working those fingers, stretching the skin, really pushing. You're not stretching the skin, you're working on the fascia below the skin. Stretching the fascia to get it to relax and kind of calm down naturally. Okay, we've done a layer of Superior C. Now I'm gonna go in with our advanced renewal serum from Skin Scripts. I'm going to tell you, I test a lot of products, and this one really makes me happy, and that's why we have it on our site. Okay, this is the most amazing retinol serum. Oh, it's beautiful. You will see results with this product right away. And for those of you who are sensitive to retin A, this is very effective And you will not have irritation or redness like a retinoic acid. So I've applied the Advanced Renewal Serum with retinol. Now, here's the secret. Okay, now, those of you who know or have watched my tutorials, you know that we import a wonderful essence from South Korea. And I am telling you, this is a game changer and it will change your skin. So let me cheat here and look at my notes. The Stop Aging Peptide Essence has Volufuline. Volufuline is manufactured by Sederma. Sederma is in France. They're a huge manufacturer, cosmeceutical manufacturer. And this is sold internationally in Europe, America, Japan, and it has nonapeptide 1. It's a skin lightener. It has acetyl hexapeptide 8, which is also known as arginine, a peptide used in skincare products to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Copper peptide. Copper peptide is also known by the acronym of GHK for the amino acids that comprise glycine, histidine, and lysine. Tripeptide 1 is a synthetic signaling peptide known to work with copper in the skin. In the skin, we have copper, and it visibly repairs substances that have begun to deteriorate. I'm telling you, let me mention the others. Palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, and that's also known as matrixyl, and that's a synthesized chain protein created by linking 5 amino acid peptides. It stimulates collagen and elastin fibroblasts. So this is that equates to thicker skin. It's stimulating our fibroblasts, which are our cells, and it's the thickening of the skin. Lastly, hexapeptide 9, another collagen peptide, and tripeptide 1, a biometric tripeptide, which stimulates fibronectin, collagen, and elastin. So we're getting the collagen and elastin. So here is the beauty. I'm going to do the ends of my fingers here. I'm going to do 3.5 pumps, okay? Now I'm going to work with it quickly. Watch. Okay. Now you're going to, if you watch, if I am able to really lean in, you would be able to see, I don't know if my camera is going to pick up on it, but you should be able to see a bubbling sensation. Put a little more on it, won't hurt. Okay, so what we're doing here is, because it's an essence. Oh, I forgot to mention Centella Asiatica. This product does have a scent, and it's due to I think it's the polyisobutane. There is a scent, that's a plant extract, and there is a scent, and I don't mind it because I know it's just from a very, very beneficial plant used in a lot of the South Korean products, and it is a skin lightener and brightener and tightener. Okay, so what we're getting here is an infusion. The essence of the peptide is actually pushing all of the ingredients into my skin. So what did we put on? We put on Superior C, and we layered retinol on top. Those two work beautifully together. Then we're infusing it with peptide essence. Now, to occlude my treatment for evening, I would finish up with the peptide cream. Now, the peptide cream is a beautiful formula, and this is going to hold all of the ingredients into my skin, and it's going to work magic all night long. This treatment will deliver results. You will see it the following morning. You'll see a reduction in fine lines. You'll see a brighter skin tone. You'll see your fine lines look smoother. This is just really, it's the kind of product that once you try it, you know the benefits and you just want to introduce it into your routine. It is something that we import, and we cannot stay up with the demand. Sometimes we sell out right away because people see such amazing benefits. And the funny thing is that if we're sold out, people wait on a waiting list to get it. So that concludes a really easy a night routine that is going to deliver results. And it's just fairly easy. I mean, we've got our AHA, we've got our Hydra Essence for infusing moisture. Oh no, hydration, not moisture. There's a difference. Oh, we did our retinol scrub, and I've already done that backwards. So AHA, retinol scrub from Skin Scripts, Hydra Essence, a little bit of Superior C, and then the infusion of our peptide essence, and then the peptide cream. Peptide cream. There we go. I will say this, there are some products that would cost a small company like ours hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop. And, you know, after working with the South Koreans and the manufacturers there, they just have such a gift, and there's such a demand in their culture for creating wonderful skincare products that there's really no reason to remake what is already absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now remember, if you sign up on joliespa.com, go to www.joliespa.com, and then you sign up for the Insiders Club. It's free for a limited amount of time, and you will receive our coupons. And every now and then I do put the peptide essence and the peptide cream on special because it's really fun to use both of them, the essence and the peptide cream. So we hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And I promise you it's result driven, or else we wouldn't carry it on our website. And I thank you for watching. And if you'll give us a thumbs up and help the algorithms, we'd really appreciate that. And thank you, and have a great day. Bye.